In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to insert a PDF into Constant Contact. If you've been wanting to include a PDF file within your Constant Contact emails for your subscribers to easily access important information or downloadable content, you're in the right place. Let's walk through the steps you need to take to achieve this, and I'll provide some helpful tips along the way to ensure everything goes smoothly. To start, open up your Constant Contact email editor where you're preparing your email campaign. Adding a PDF involves creating a clickable link, and in Constant Contact, this is easily done by utilizing a button block. You will first want to locate the button block option. It's usually available in the editing panel on the left side of your email editor. When you find it, drag that button block over into the spot in your email where you'd like the PDF link to appear. This button will serve as the clickable element your subscribers need to access the PDF. Once you've placed your button, you'll notice several customization options. Here, you'll want to look for the link icon, which is similar to a small chain link. Click on this icon to proceed to the next step. After clicking the link icon, a few different link options will appear. For our purposes, choose the document option. This will allow you to link a document, such as a PDF, to your button. Now, you'll see an option labeled Upload New Document. Click this to upload your desired PDF from your computer. As you navigate through this process, ensure you have your PDF file ready to go, stored somewhere easily accessible on your computer. Once you select Upload New Document, you'll be prompted by your file manager to choose the correct file. Navigate to your PDF, select it, and it will begin the uploading process. After the file has uploaded, it will automatically appear in your library within Constant Contact. The library in Constant Contact is essentially a storage area where you can view and manage all the documents, images, and files you've uploaded to use in your emails. Once you've verified that your PDF has successfully uploaded to your library, you can select it. Now, you're almost done. With the PDF selected, click Insert to link it to your button. At this point, you can also customize the button text. Consider using concise and clear text such as Download Report or View PDF to make it immediately clear to your subscribers what action they can take. When they receive your email, subscribers will see your button, and upon clicking it, they will be able to view or download the document seamlessly. That concludes the process of inserting a PDF in Constant Contact. Following these steps makes sharing important documents with your audience simple and effective. I hope you found this guide helpful, and happy emailing.